To reset your API key in Fireflies AI, it's a relatively straightforward process. You may need to reset your API key if you've accidentally shared it, such as during a video, and someone has copied it and is now using it. Whatever the reason, resetting your API key is a simple process handled within your Fireflies AI account. To do so, start by logging into your account and navigating to the home screen. From there, click on your initial in the top right corner, which will open a drop-down menu. Select the Settings option. Then click on Developer Settings from the menu on the left. Your API key will be displayed. And to reset it, simply click the Reset button below it. After a quick moment, your API key will be changed, and any software connected via API will need to be reconnected using the new key, as the old key will no longer work. This process is easy to follow and can be completed in just a few steps.